Hi, Sandy McTeer here with another Craft Minute from DecoArt. Add incredible texture to your surfaces using DecoArt decoupage medium and tissue paper. Base coat your surface with decoupage medium. Don't forget those edges. Scrunch up the tissue paper. Unfold it. And press it into place. Try not to smooth out all those beautiful wrinkles and crinkles that will give you gorgeous texture. Add another layer of decoupage medium on top. Let it completely dry, cut away the excess tissue paper, and paint it your desired color.